In this video, I'm going to show you one amazing marketplace, which is Clickbank at clickbank.com. Here you find a big variety of digital products that you can promote as an affiliate. You can also promote your own products if you want. Okay, you need to get approved and then you need to pay a certain amount to be listed. But the best is to start off as an affiliate. If you have an account, you should log in directly here, or you can create an account. Here you see you can create an account and you have to be approved. Okay, or you log in here, you see nickname. Usually they provide you with a nickname or username and a password. Okay, and then you need to read all the terms in order to get accepted as an affiliate. You go to the affiliate marketing place here, and you can find a lot of categories here on the left side, and you can browse, okay, find products. You can input some keywords, or you can go directly into the category and look for the product that you want to promote, like health and fitness. You get here, like for example, exercise and fitness. You find a lot of products here to promote. Here, if you want to promote, you click on this link, and of course you need to be already an approved affiliate. You get the link with a user ID, your own user ID. And here you find information about, you can go and see here the page. Here you have some information, description, and so on. Okay, Laura found and converts like crazy on, okay, brand new, user friendly. And here you see the affiliate page is this one. Okay, you can go to this page and become an affiliate. Okay, here we are. You get to this page and you see this is the page for that.
I was only 12 years
video. And if you go to this page, you become an affiliate directly. Okay, you go to this one, you click, and if you want to promote here, you see you need to send an email to this email address, and you get here, you get a link here from Clickbank. Okay, or you can go here directly and promote. There are some information like statistics here. You see the initial sales is $29.55. The average is 82%. Then we see here category. Okay, and then the gravity. The gravity is something that's important at Clickbank. Here you see the definition of Clickbank gravity. Okay, it is the number of distinct affiliates who earned a commission by promoting the vendor's products during the past 12 weeks. This is very important. Distinct affiliates, which is not the actual number of affiliates, but how many unique affiliates have promoted this. Okay, it's very important. The definition tells us that the vendor's gravity represents a number of affiliates who have sold the vendor's products in the last 12 weeks. Okay, what we don't know how they calculate, but it's an important number. You should go, of course, for big gravity, something between 1 and 100. Okay, it's a good gravity, this one, for example, and it's promoted. You see here, this one has to be promoted because it's very good. It's the average of sale. Okay, so if you're interested in promoting digital products on Facebook, then come here and become an affiliate of one of those.